In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Monday.com email notifications. If you're finding your inbox a bit overwhelming with all the notifications from Monday.com, you're definitely not alone. Today, we'll walk you through a very simple process to manage and customize what alerts you want to receive, so you can focus on what truly matters. First things first, let's open up your Monday.com account. You'll need to navigate to the website and log in if you haven't already. Now, once you've got your dashboard in front of you, let's move on to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot your profile picture or avatar. If you haven't uploaded a picture yet, it may just be your initials. But no worries, the process is the same. Click on this profile picture. This will drop down a menu with a series of options. From the menu, you'll want to click on My Profile. This will take you into another page where you can see a variety of settings options related to your specific account. Here, you're only a few steps away from achieving notification peace. Now that you're in your profile settings, let's focus on the task at hand. Look for the tab labeled Notifications. It might be nestled among several other tabs, but it won't be hard to find. Once you click on Notifications, you'll be greeted with a list that shows the email notifications you're currently subscribed to. At the very top, you might notice that by default, all your email notifications are enabled. This can flood your inbox quite quickly, especially if you're part of multiple boards and teams. Each of these notifications has a small checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck the boxes next to the notifications you wish to switch off. This means you'll only receive emails on updates and reports that you decide are truly significant to you. And just like that, you've customized your email notifications. It's worth noting that while disabling some email notifications will decrease the number of items reaching your inbox, it's essential to periodically review your settings. As your projects and priorities evolve, so might your need for certain notifications. So, just to recap, we logged into our Monday.com account, clicked on our profile picture in the top right, went into My Profile, found the Notifications tab, and unchecked the notifications we wanted to turn off. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and tweak it as needed to ensure you stay updated in a way that suits you best. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide. Enjoy your newly decluttered inbox courtesy of your Monday.com settings, and as always, don't hesitate to explore other options and features to get the most out of your user experience.